welcome back to another summer and spring haul. Today I'm going to show you some clothes that I have that you haven't seen before, and they are super cute. You're totally going to love them. They're all thrift store finds, so let's have a fun time playing dress up, and I will see you in a minute with the first outfit. Surprise! This is the first outfit. Isn't it super cute? I'm wearing a little bit lower waisted jeans. They are skinny jeans. And I got this cute little shirt at the thrift shop along with this cute swimsuit top that I'm wearing underneath. What I'd like you to do is let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Let's get on to the real first outfit. Hello and welcome to the next outfit. This one, I have a thrifted shirt on top and a thrifted pair of skirts on the bottom. And the reason I say they're skirts is when you lift them up, they do have shorts underneath, so that is pretty handy. That way when you're bending over, see, no flashing. Now as we get closer, I want to show you the cute pattern of the top. I think the pattern of this top is so cute. It's got some little gray flowers on it. And I think the top of this is just the cutest. So let me show you the whole outfit again. I'm going to spin on my pole to show you. So here I got some cute little, let me show you. I got cute little shoes on right here to go with the outfit. Stand back here so maybe you, excuse me, out of my way. I'll stand back here so maybe you can see the whole outfit. And you can dance pretty well in this outfit as well. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. This is outfit number 2. And here is the next outfit. I think it is super cute. And the skirt goes round and round quite nicely. So let me know, what do you think in the comments below? Is this a keeper or should I just kind of toss it to the side? Which outfit is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. All right, are you ready for the next outfit? Let me know. Maybe in the comments, or just I'm gonna do it whether you let me know or not. So here we go with the next outfit. Alright, what do you think of my next outfit? It's actually a little jumper suit. It's got shorts on the bottom and then these nice long sleeves on the top. Let me come closer so you can see it a little better. It is pretty darn cute. So let me know in the comments, is this one of your favorites? Here is my next outfit. What do you think of it? We've got a cute little kind of burnt orange shirt with little ruffles going up it. Ruffles. And then we have this cute little skirt that's just kind of a little mini skirt, doesn't go too high. It's very fun to spin in, just like all skirts are. So you tell me, what do you think in the comments below? Is this the outfit that is your favorite? I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. Alright, and now we're going to check out the next outfit. And here is my last outfit. So I got this cute little shirt on here. I am wearing a black bra underneath, so I know you can see a little bit of that through it, but sorry, I didn't have nude. And then I have this cute little skirt here. You can like tie up the little middle part here. And it is just the cutest thing. I love it. It is just like so swishy. I can just go dancing with it. Whoa, I almost fell. That would not be good.
Oh my God. I'm the cool kid from the block. I'm the one calling all the shots. Whether you're ready or not, I'm about to plant it, drop. Go left, go right, working up my appetite. No fork, no knife, having dinner with my eyes. So sweet.
Alright, so that is the very last outfit. Please vote in the comments below which outfit you think was the best, which one was your favorite. And also be sure to hit the thumbs up button to let the YouTube algorithm know that my video is awesome and it will send it out to other people. In addition, if you're watching this video and you got this far, hit that subscribe button. You might as well, it's not going to hurt anything. You can always unsubscribe later. And with that being said, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.